Hutchinson in Batesville tonight for his second COVID community conversation. It's all in an effort to increase the vaccination rates around the state and answer your concerns. Katrin Asaf attended the conversation as more on what was discussed.
Today's discussion revolved around schools and vaccine hesitancy. Many worried about kids returning to class next month. Some say their questions were answered today, while others are hoping to do more and hope these conversations will make a difference.
That's a good question.
This Batesville meeting room was full of those, as Independence County neighbors filled in to have their COVID questions answered. Among them was Joey Markowski.
The hope is that he can give us some clear answers on kind of the direction that the state needs to take.
He attended to support his wife, a registered nurse administering vaccines. He says this third spike has left her frustrated.
There's real concern that we're going right back to where we were before the vaccination.
And wants to know what else can be done. That question was a common one.
Do you think there's any way that we can have some type of incentive?
Another theme was schools, with many concerned about the safety of kids.
If we do not increase the vaccination rate, what kind of school year are we going to have?
And what families can do when school is back in session.
How do we protect our kids that are under 12?
Governor Hutchinson's answer, if you're eligible, get the vaccine. But not everyone had a question.
They've changed their stories multiple times. People don't trust the government.
The conversation turned to vaccine hesitancy and how likely some were to get the shot.
I will be shocked if most of these people that are unvaccinated will be vaccinated.
Hutchinson says the focus needs to be on those on the fence.
You've got to go after those that are just simply hesitant or have more questions or that have put it off.
And hopes, along with Markowski, these community conversations will up the rate. Tomorrow, the governor will head to Forest City and Blytheville in order to continue his COVID conversations. He says more should be scheduled in the coming weeks. Reporting in Batesville, I'm Katrin Asaf. Back to you.
Katrin, thank you.